Home Remedies presents
How to use castor oil correctly. Most people don't know. Castor oil is often avoided by many people because of its thick and sticky consistency and pungent smell. However, if you are looking for a cheap and natural remedy with tremendous benefits for your skin and hair problems, then look no further than castor oil. Castor oil is an age old remedy for skin and hair related issues. Older generations considered it an elixir for beautiful skin and healthy hair. The magic of castor oil lies in its nutrient composition. It contains a significant amount of vitamin E, proteins, omega 6, and antioxidants. On top of all this, castor oil has excellent antibacterial properties. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Benefits of castor oil. Skin. Castor oil works as an effective solution for wrinkles, acne, and other skin problems. Hair. It is equally effective for hair fall, premature graying of hair, and other scalp problems. How to use castor oil correctly for younger looking skin. Most cosmetic products strip oil away from your skin, causing your body to produce more oil to compensate, which results in inflamed, cracked, or oily skin with crops of acne. The best and cheapest natural remedy for this is castor oil. But there is a trick. Due to its thickness, castor oil should be mixed with a carrier oil before applying it to your face. The best carrier oils are coconut oil, almond oil, and olive oil. Steps: add 1 tablespoon of castor oil to 1 tablespoon of carrier oil and mix well. Apply this mixture to your face and gently massage in circular motion. Keep it on overnight and wash it off after 30 minutes. Castor oil nourishes the skin and restores its natural moisture, resulting in younger looking, acne free, glowing skin in no time. How to use castor oil correctly for hair fall and thin hair. Take a glass jar or steel bowl and add 2 parts castor oil and 1 part carrier oil, coconut or almond oil. You can add a few drops of essential oil to mask the smell. Mix all ingredients well. Fill a larger bowl with hot water and put your castor oil jar into this hot water bath. Ensure no water enters the jar. Leave it for 2 to 4 minutes. Pour this warm oil into an empty applicator bottle for easy application. Dampen your hair for better absorption and keep a towel on your shoulder to protect your clothes from oil. Use the applicator to apply oil to various points on your scalp. If you don't have an applicator, dip your fingers in the oil and apply it to your scalp. Massage your scalp with fingertips in small circular motions, ensuring your entire scalp is covered. Apply the remaining oil to your hair by rubbing it gently between your palms. Put on a shower cap and wrap a hot towel around your head. Keep the towel on for at least 30 minutes to 3 hours or overnight if possible. If your hair doesn't feel too oily or sticky, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, wash your hair with a mild shampoo or conditioner. Frequency: do this treatment once or twice a week for best results. We are confident that the results will be so good that you will end up recommending this to your friends.
if you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.